Google just dropped 5 Gemini updates back to back, and most people are going to scroll right past every single one of them. That's a mistake. One of these turns your AI into an actual research worker that finds your sources for you. Another one talks in any language in real time and keeps your exact voice and tone while it does it. And one of them might change the way every AI writes text from here on out. This is brand new. This is bigger than people realize, and I'm going to break down all 5 right now. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. All right, let's get into the first one. It's called Gemini 3.5 Live Translate. What it does is it listens to you talking and translates your voice into another language in real time while you're still speaking. It works across more than 70 languages. And here's the part that actually matters. It keeps your tone, it keeps your pitch, it keeps the way you actually sound. So it's not some flat robot voice reading your words back. It still sounds like you just speaking a different language. Now think about what that actually means. Right now, most people only make content in one language, so they only reach people who speak that one language. But if you can take a video you already made and turn it into 10 more languages without re-recording a single second of it, that's a completely new audience you never had access to before. It's already rolling into Google Translate, it's coming to Google Meet, and developers can plug into it through the Gemini API. So this isn't some future promise, it's live right now. Now, here's where it gets wild. Notebook LM just became agentic, and what that means is it doesn't just answer your questions anymore, it actually goes and does the work for you. The old version was simple. You upload your files, you ask it something, it answers. That's the whole interaction. The new one is a completely different tool. It runs on Gemini 3.5 now, and every notebook you create gets its own secure cloud computer behind it. That means it can search the web for its own sources, research a topic completely on its own, run calculations, build charts, put together spreadsheets, and write full reports without you feeding it a single document. Let that sink in for a second. It finds its own sources now. You used to have to hand it everything. Now you give it a topic and it goes and gets the material itself. So instead of spending hours hunting down stats and checking facts before you even start writing something, you just tell it what you want researched and it comes back with the sources, the data, and a full report already built. It's acting like an actual research employee instead of a chatbot waiting for your next message. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Update number 3 is Project Genie, and it just rolled out globally for Google AI Ultra users. This one's a bit different from the rest. Most AI tools make one type of thing: text, images, video. Project Genie builds entire interactive worlds. You give it a prompt or an image, and it generates a world you can actually move through and explore. Now, I'll be straight with you. This isn't something you're going to use for content tomorrow. It's Google's long-term bet on AI simulations and virtual worlds, but it tells you something important. Google is now building entire worlds with AI. That's the direction this is all heading. And being early to where things are going is always where the advantage is. Update 4 is smaller but still worth knowing. Google is expanding Gemini notebooks to more regions, including the European Economic Area, the UK, and Switzerland. It sounds minor, but it actually matters, because it means Google isn't keeping its best tools locked to one country anymore. They're rolling these features out wider, which means more people in more places now have access to the same tools that were limited before. And the fifth one is the one almost nobody's talking about, but it might be the biggest of the 5. It's called Diffusion Gemma, and it could change how AI generates text completely. Right now, basically every AI writes the exact same way, one word at a time, in a straight line, like typing out a sentence letter by letter. Diffusion Gemma works completely differently. Instead of writing one word at a time, it puts down a whole block of text all at once and then refines it and cleans it up. Picture sketching out a full paragraph in rough form first, then sharpening it into its final shape instead of writing it slowly word by word. According to Google, it can be up to 4 times faster at generating text. It's a 26 billion parameter model, and it's open source under Apache 2.0, which means developers can actually build on top of it themselves. The reason this matters is simple. Faster AI means faster tools across the board, faster writing, faster editing, faster everything. The entire AI space has been doing this one way for years, and Google just proved there's a faster way to do it. So that's 5 Gemini updates that dropped basically all at once, and most of them are going to fly under the radar for the average person scrolling their feed. You've got real-time voice translation that keeps your actual voice, a research tool that finds its own sources and builds full reports on its own, an early look at AI building entire virtual worlds, wider access for more countries, and a completely new way for AI to generate text that's multiple times faster. Every one of these is live or rolling out right now, not some far-off promise. The people who actually go try this stuff today are always the ones who end up ahead of everyone else next month. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.